It starts with the scrotum, a loose pouch of skin that hangs behind the penis. Millions of sperm are created here every day. The prostate adds a milky fluid that helps protect and nourish the sperm. At the peak of excitement, muscles contract rhythmically to force the semen out. Erectile dysfunction happens when there is not enough blood flow to maintain an erection. Men should also perform regular self-exams to check for any lumps or changes in the testes. The male reproductive system is a complex network of organs designed for one primary purpose: the creation of life. Unlike the female system, much of the male reproductive anatomy is located outside the body. It starts with the scrotum, a loose pouch of skin that hangs behind the penis. Inside this pouch are two oval-shaped organs called the testes, or testicles. They are kept outside the body to maintain a temperature slightly lower than the rest of the body, which is essential for healthy sperm production.
Think of the testes as the factory. They have two main jobs: making testosterone and producing sperm.
Inside each testicle are tightly coiled masses of tubes called seminiferous tubules. This is where sperm production, or spermatogenesis, takes place. Millions of sperm are created here every day. A sperm cell is microscopic. It has a head carrying genetic material, a midpiece for energy, and a tail for movement. Once produced, sperm move into the epididymis, a long coiled tube resting on the back of each testicle. Here, sperm are stored and matured. This is where they learn how to swim.
When sexual arousal occurs, sperm are forced into the vas deferens, a long muscular tube. The vas deferens transports mature sperm to the urethra in preparation for ejaculation.
Along the way, fluids are added. First, from the seminal vesicles. These glands produce a sugar-rich fluid that provides sperm with the energy to move. Next is the prostate gland, a walnut-sized organ located just below the bladder. The prostate adds a milky fluid that helps protect and nourish the sperm. Finally, the bulbourethral glands add a clear, slippery fluid to lubricate the urethra. This mixture of sperm and these fluids is what we call semen. This semen travels into the urethra, the tube that carries both urine and semen out of the body. During ejaculation, a muscle closes off the bladder to ensure urine doesn't mix with the semen.
The penis is the external organ used for intercourse. It consists of the shaft and the head, or glans. At birth, the glans is covered by loose skin called the foreskin. This is often removed in a procedure called circumcision. Inside the penis are three cylinder-shaped chambers made of sponge-like tissue.
When a man becomes sexually aroused, blood rushes into these tissue chambers. The tissue expands and hardens, causing an erection. This allows the penis to enter the female reproductive tract. At the peak of excitement, muscles contract rhythmically to force the semen out. This is ejaculation. A single teaspoon of semen can contain between 200 to 500 million sperm cells. This entire system is driven by the primary male sex hormone, testosterone. During puberty, testosterone causes physical changes like muscle growth, deep voice, and facial hair. It also regulates sex drive or libido and maintains muscle mass and bone density. Sometimes, issues like low sperm count or poor motility can lead to infertility.
Excessive heat, like from hot baths or tight clothing, can temporarily reduce sperm production.
Swollen veins in the scrotum, called varicocele, are a common cause of male infertility. As men age, the prostate gland often enlarges, which can pinch the urethra and cause urination problems.
Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men, making regular checkups vital. Erectile dysfunction happens when there is not enough blood flow to maintain an erection. For permanent contraception, a vasectomy is performed by cutting the vas deferens tubes. A diet rich in zinc, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking helps maintain a healthy reproductive system. Unlike women, men do not stop producing sperm, but testosterone levels do drop slowly with age. Ultimately, the goal of this entire system is to deliver genetic material to the female egg.
When fertilization happens, a new, unique human life begins to form.
Maintaining good hygiene prevents infections and keeps the system functioning well. Men should also perform regular self-exams to check for any lumps or changes in the testes. It is a robust, yet delicate system that requires care and attention.
From the production factory in the testes to the delivery system of the penis, nature's engineering is amazing.
Remember, your sexual health is deeply connected to your mental and physical well-being.
Did you know the life cycle of a sperm cell is about 74 days? Comment below if you learned something new.
If you found this educational video helpful, please like and share it with others. Subscribe to our channel for more detailed medical animations. Thanks for watching.